happy Onam, and there might be people celebrating a festival with chicken, and even I'm doing the same. And except that my chicken is this, and oh my god, you adopt a little chicken. All those of you who want to experience motherhood all over again and know how precious it is to have free time, you need to get yourself a baby chick, and it will follow you around. It will cheep, like it will whatever, make these chopping cheeping chopping sounds, and it will not let you sleep in peace. You'll have to sleep next to this little guy because it will make so much noise otherwise. And I don't know why I'm recording this like this. And it does yoga also, so basically I have a very multi-purpose little chick. So no, so that's what I feel. If more people adopt little chickens, little thing, then that's a very good way to get more people to be vegans. So this video is really going nowhere, but as you can see, I have my little hairstylist with me here. So I I will catch you all in my next video. Of all my videos, this is a really crazy video, but yeah. So thanks for watching, and please subscribe.